Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Eglo remote using an easy method. First, make sure your Eglo light fixture is powered on and ready for pairing. It's also important to have your remote control close by and ensure its battery is properly installed and charged. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and quick connection process. To initiate the pairing process, you'll need to cycle the power to your light fixture. Begin by turning off the light at its main power switch. It's crucial to wait for at least 5 seconds after turning it off. Then, turn the light fixture back on. This action prepares the light to enter pairing mode. Now, for the crucial step. Within 3 seconds of turning the light back on, quickly press and hold the on button on your Eglo remote. Keep holding it for about 3 seconds. You'll know it's successful when your light fixture flashes 3 times, indicating a confirmed connection. After pairing, take a moment to test all the remote's functions, such as dimming, changing colors, or adjusting brightness. If the remote doesn't respond, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire pairing process from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step precisely. Make sure the remote is close to the light during pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.